Welcome back to Mother by Malcolm Academy. My name is Malcolm Oluwafumini Ayo of Mother by Malcolm. Today I'll be showing you how to mark your dart from pattern to fabric. Already I have my block here. This is my center back, so I'll be transferring this dart to the fabric. So I haven't done anything yet. I already cut out on fabric and added my allowance. So now I'm going to show you how to mark it on your fabric. So this is my center back, and to mark your dart you may need your set of pins. This are mine, so I'm going to use the pin to pass through on the darts on the pattern paper through to the fabric into the other side of the fabric just as shown. So what I'm doing is I am using the pin to pinpoint the actual position of that on the pattern, and by the time I'm going to turn it to the other side, I'll be seeing the pin there. I hope you understand that part. So I have my pin on the other side of the fabric. So you can use either of this marker, either the pencil marker or the chalk, the fabric chalk to mark. So yeah, I'm using the pencil, but it's not really visible, so I have to change to the chalk. So you mark it in this direction. This is on the back waistline, and on the waistline I'm going to do same. I have my pin there. I hope you can see the pins. So I have my pin there, so I'm marking the position where the pins are, so it can be seen by the time I take off the pattern. So when I am done with this, I'm going to flip it over in order for me to mark the other side. This is just one side of the fabric. So I'm going to take off the pin right now in order for me to be able to mark this side of the fabric. And to do that, it means the other side that I marked, to I'm going to use the pin to mark them, so it will be much easier and visible on the other side. I hope I'm making sense. It is very simple. Just follow as shown or as illustrated here, so you don't mix it up. So please, if you're here to subscribe, if you're here to like, if you're here to follow, please subscribe, like this video if it's very helpful to you, and please also share with friends, because there's someone who needs this tutorial. We got messages on how to mark your that on from pattern to fabric. That is why this tutorial is coming to you. So now that I have my dart marked on the other side, I took off the pins. So I'm going to use my ruler to actually draw out the darts on the fabric, so you will see how easy and very very easy to do. So this is beginner friendly, and is also uh an intermediate class student can also use this method to mark his or her dart. So I have the dart positioned now. So I'm going to work on this other side. I'm going to do same thing I did on the other side. I'm going to mark out the dart. I'm going to trace it out. So by the time I go on the machine to stitch, it will be much easier for me to pick. For everyone who has been on this channel supporting us, and if you're yet to support us, we love you as well. Thank you so much for always being here, and God bless you so much. It means a lot to me. Thank you. I love you. I love you. See you next class. I hope this is helpful. Thank you. I love you. Bye.